Tell them where we at right now.
We are at the Delaware Water Gap.
Which isn't in Delaware.
Yeah.
We're gonna go kayaking for the first time ever in life. We've never, well, oh yeah, it's my first time. It's your first time.
Yes.
We've never been kayaking before, so we're gonna see what it's about. I'm nervous.
It's so
I'm
much
scared.
fun.
I just hope
It's
that,
so chill.
that I don't get lost at sea. I know we're on a river, but I feel like all rivers lead to the ocean.
This guy's running off of 45 minutes of sleep. He's running off of like 2 hours of sleep. Oh my God. This is a lot harder than I thought. Actually, no, it's not that bad. Why are we going the wrong way? Because I'm not helping you, that's what. All right, hold on. Wait, let me turn.
We have to do in unison. What up?
What up?
You guys should do this as an Olympic sport. The rampy.
Join us. Join us.
Yes, my
There you go. All right. Look at that. Now we're all connected. Look at us.
Right?
Yo, Ethan.
Oh, that sounds
Ethan.
like
So Mel and Dev got stuck over here. So they're trying to get their boat out. And we are chilling. Chilling. We're gonna try to make it to that island right there. Pit stop, actually. We're gonna have a pit stop over here. What's that?
I'm usually just here. You guys get to.
All these changes.
I'm saving your sandwich.
For snack later. Baby frog. Vibing out over here on his paddleboard.
I think it's like punk.
Sounds like country, I don't know. So there's actually a country show or something going on, or alt rock, I don't know. It's like, sounds pretty nice. Well, we're in the river now. We're in the river. Yo, are you jogging?
Yeah, the current is kind of strong.
The current is strong.
Oh, I can stand up.
Oh, it's getting shallow now.
Meanwhile, I'm standing and he's holding on for his life.
Salt life.
The water is nice and shallow. So we're taking a dip. Taking a dip in the water. We dip in the water.
Oh yeah, them got slides too. Live, laugh, love.
Get the star going. Leave back up. Okay, it's starting to get a little rough over here. Let's try to get straight again. Fox. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a fox. We survived. We're back. We're in the bus back to our cars. That was very fun. What'd you guys think?
Tired, very tired.
It was mad fun. But it was a workout.
I
Shoulder
think it should have
workout.
been more challenging.
Next time we gotta do the longer route.
Like me.
Extra footage. We came back home and there's a carnival going on down the block.
Extra footage.
You should go and cry and go over there. They'll probably give you some extra. This carnival is closing right now. But I can't believe we just spent so much money on fried Oreos. You only saved one?
It's good fun.
I got a fried Twinkie as well. You know why? Because we did a lot of cardio today, so we deserve it.
We deserve it. We're treating ourselves.
We did mad cardio today on that lake.
How many
So
miles was that?
we did 6 miles on the lake. Swimming and paddling and stuff. All right, so this is the moment of truth. I never had a fried Twinkie before, so we're gonna try it right now.
Don't eat the stick.
Good. But I feel like it needs to be. I feel like it needs to be fried a little bit more.
Does it feel like just eating a Twinkie? Like they didn't even fry it at all?
No. It's like a warm Twinkie with powdered sugar on it.
How you plan on getting that last piece?
It's good though. It's really good.
How many stars? 5 out of 10.
What?
Wait, what? 1 out of 5. How many?
5, bro.
5?
6. That's really good, but you know what? It could be a little bit more fried. But anyway, like I said, we did mad cardio today, so I could afford to eat this right now. All right.
Nice.
This is for the kids. This is for the kids. This guy dropped all of his over here.
You got powder on your shirt too, so.